Number 31. The world's biggest power is the youth and beauty of a woman. Number 32. There is some self-interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self-interest. This is a bitter truth. Number 33. Avoid him who talks sweetly before you, but tries to ruin you behind your back, for he is like a pitcher full of poison with milk on top. Number 34. There is no assurity equal to a balanced mind, and there is no happiness equal to contentment. There is no diseases like covetousness, and no virtue like mercy. Number 35. Accumulated wealth is saved by spending, just as incoming fresh water is saved by letting out stagnant water. Number 36. Till the enemy's weakness is known, he should be kept on friendly terms. Number 37. Those base men who speak of the secret faults of others destroy themselves like serpents that stray onto ant hills. Number 38. The happiness and peace attained by those satisfied by the nectar of spiritual tranquility is not attained by greedy persons restlessly moving here and there. Number 39. Even if a gem be placed on the foot and a mirror on the head, till the gem will not lose its value. Number 40. Never settle for anything less than what you deserve. It's not pride, it's self-respect. Number 41. It is better to die than preserve life by incurring disgrace. The loss of life only pains a moment, but disgrace every day of one's life. Number 42. We have to make people soft who are hard, to attract those who are far. If they do bad for us, then even considering our aim, we should always love them. Number 43. There are 3 gems upon this earth: food, water, and pleasing words. Fools consider pieces of rocks as gems. Number 44. He who is prepared for the future and he who deals cleverly with any situation that may arise are both happy. But the fatalistic man who wholly depends on luck is ruined. Number 45. A learned man is honored by the people. A learned man commands respect everywhere for his learning. Indeed, learning is honored everywhere. Number 46. If you were to choose between an evil person and a snake to keep company with, opt for the snake, because the snake will bite you only in self-defense, but the evil person will put a bite for any reason and any time or always. Number 47. There are only 2 ways of dealing with the evil persons or thorns: crush them under your boot or stay far away from them. Number 48. Too much beauty got Sita kidnapped. Too much ego got Ravana killed, and too much charity got Raja Bali in deep trouble. So too much of anything is bad. One should refrain from too much. Number 49. There is no present and future of the lazy. Number 50. You can win over a greedy by offering money, a proud person by cowering before him. You can win a foolish by agreeing with him, and you can win a scholar by truth only. Number 51. A man is born alone and dies alone, and he experiences the good and bad consequences of his karma alone, and he goes alone to hell or the supreme abode. Number 52. It is the mind of man alone that is the cause of his bondage or freedom. Number 53. It is better to have only one son endowed with good qualities than 100 devoid of them. For the moon, thou one, dispels the darkness which the stars, though numerous, do not. Number 54. As long as your body is healthy and under control and death is distant, try to save your soul. When death is imminent, what can you do? Number 55. The wise man should restrain his senses like the crane and accomplish his purpose with due knowledge of his place, time, and ability. Number 56. Do not inhabit a country where you are not respected, cannot earn your livelihood, have no friends, or cannot acquire knowledge. Number 57. He who befriends a man whose conduct is vicious, whose vision impure, and who is notoriously crooked is rapidly ruined. Number 58. A person who cannot decide his goals simply cannot win. Number 59. The wealth earned by unjust means will perish for sure. Number 60. A true son is obedient, a true father is loving, and a true friend is honest. Number 61. There are two ways to deal with thrones and wicked people. One is to crush them, and the other is to stay away from them. Number 62. A guru who shows his disciple the path of righteousness leaves a huge debt. It cannot be paid back as none of the physical objects is so precious. Number 63. One who can't determine his goals cannot win. Number 64. A man who has mercy and compassion for all creatures is religious for sure. He does not require any religious symbol or sign to prove his religiousness. Number 65. Whoever helps you at the time of illness, misfortune, famines, and invasion is your true brother in the real sense. Number 66. Money comes and goes, so is the youth. Life goes and goes the soul, nothing lasts forever. The only thing that stays firm is your faith.